advanced words to step up your vocabulary in English. Say amiable instead of friendly. Amiable is an adjective used to describe a person who is friendly, good-natured, and pleasant in temperament. For example, I met Jess for the first time yesterday at the birthday party. She seemed very amiable. Say sufficient instead of enough. Sufficient is an adjective to mean something is as much as needed. For example, we have sufficient time to complete the task. Say elated instead of excited. Elated is an adjective that means someone feels great delight or overjoyed. For example, he was elated by the news that he had been admitted to the college. Say adamant instead of fixed. Adamant is an adjective meaning someone is not willing to change their position, opinion, or purpose. For example, the manager was adamant about his decision to let him go. Say impeccable instead of perfect. Impeccable is an adjective meaning having no flaws, without fault or error. For example, your English is impeccable. Say apprehensive instead of anxious. Apprehensive is an adjective meaning being uneasy or fearful about something that might happen. For example, she was quite apprehensive about trying the new method. Say banal instead of not original. Banal is an adjective that's used to mean that something lacks originality and freshness, or something is repeated too often. It is overfamiliar through overuse. For example, I found the movie quite banal, to be honest. Say trivial instead of unimportant. Trivial is an adjective that means something has little significance or value. For example, these days she gets agitated over even trivial matters. Say oblivious instead of unaware. Oblivious is an adjective meaning being unmindful, unaware, or ignorant of something. For example, she seemed quite oblivious to the tension between them. Say affluent instead of wealthy. Affluent is an adjective meaning being rich, having an abundance of wealth. For example, well, from the look of these houses, you can tell this is a pretty affluent neighborhood. Now, to practice more, you can use these words in sentences of your own and write them down in the comment section below. I'll try to check them for you whenever I can. And if you liked this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next video.